Hey everyone, so I'm Lakhan Samani. I'm creator of Authorizer and I also work as a cloud software engineer at ArangoDB. Um, what is Authorizer? So Authorizer is an open source solution for authentication and authorization with a mantra of your data, your control. So we have built it like in a database agnostic manner. So what was my motivation behind building the Authorizer one? Authentication is part of each and every application out there. And literally whenever I had to, build an application, I had to write it either from scratch or use some third-party solutions out there. But third-party solutions come with a cost, like the price scales as the user base grows. There are data privacy issues. You have to learn their APIs and implement something extra, right? So for example, if you're using Auth0, you have to learn Auth0 APIs. So yeah, that's why you should consider using Authorizer because one, it is open source and free to use. You can bring in your database and have control over your user data. Your data will remain with you. It supports 12 plus database, including CassandraDB, SkylarDB, Postgres, MongoDB, ArangoDB, and much more. Um, so what else it does give you? It gives you role-based access management out of the box. You have secure session management using HTTP only cookies. And it also has like PKC flow, which is very useful if you are implementing authentication using mobile devices. Uh, it supports multiple auth recipes like Google login, GitHub login, basic authentication, Magic Link login. And it also comes with a lot of integrations like you have JavaScript SDK, you have React SDK, so you can build your own page using that SDKs. It also comes with a dashboard and a universal login page. So, if you don't want to build your login page, you can just copy paste some 3 lines of code and you will have your authentication ready. You also get multiple deployment options, like you can deploy it with Docker, Kubernetes, Heroku, Railway, Render. You can also deploy like a microservice on VM. It is developed using modern stack and it uses Golang in the backend. So let's see how you can use it with Apache Cassandra. All you have to do is configure one database variable called database type and name it CassandraDB. And then rest of the variables are just the database variables like host name, username, password, and certificates. And that's all. Yeah, if you configure this environment variable and start authorize a service, you are ready to go. It will create some 3 to 4 databases, 3 to 4 tables or collections in your DB, and you will have a solution ready out of the box. These are some of the resources that you can check out, like the docs, YouTube playlist, examples. You'll get everything. You can also join our Discord community and feel free to reach out to me, ask any questions you have. And yeah, that's all.
Hey,
That's
thanks so much.
amazing.
Yeah, that looks awesome. I love these kind of like no code, low code solutions to problems that people find themselves solving every time they start a new product or a new SaaS or a new something. And I love that this
Exactly.
works with Cassandra. So
Exactly.
yeah, hats off to you, Lakhan.
Thank you so much, and thank you for this opportunity on giving a talk. Thank you so much.
Cool.
We'll be chasing you up for a blog post too.
Definitely, would love to do that.